I found a secret platform that is going to pay you a minimum of $50 for every good picture you upload on the platform, and it is available worldwide. Now, read my lips. I said good picture. Don't go there and upload a picture where you look like a masquerade, and if eventually it doesn't work, you start saying Solo did this, Solo did that. Solo didn't do you anything. All right. God is going to ask you what's up if you accuse me wrongly. Now, without wasting time, let's get down to business. Let's go there. What's up, guys? My name is Solomon Chooks. I'm the CEO of Solo Communications. Here we talk about different ways you can make money online. We teach you different skills like affiliate marketing, content creation, digital marketing. We also go as far as testing platforms that promises to pay you, and if eventually it works, we'll bring it down to you so you can as well try it out and make some money for yourself. We teach you realistic skills that are actually going to help you get paid for life on the internet space. Now, if this is the type of content you would like to consume, then please click on the subscribe button and smash the bell icon. And the 2,000 people that are subscribed to our channel, we really appreciate you, and we promise not to disappoint you. We will keep it coming and keep keeping it real. And if you are yet to do so, please, we want you to join us in this family, and we will not let you down. By the time you stay with us for just 1 month, if nothing happens, you are free to unsubscribe. That is what I promise you. Now, first of all, how does this platform work, and why do they have to pay you for uploading your picture? Now, the game is, it is actually like a freelancing platform, but what you do there is to sell your pictures. Now, these pictures must not be your picture, but most times we upload our pictures. It can be a graphic design picture, just any good picture. It can be a photo of a bar, it can be a photo of rice, it can be a photo of cockroach, or whatsoever you think is very good. Just upload it and make sure it is good. Edit it if you can edit it, just make it appear good. And what happens to that picture? How do you now sell it? Now, what happens is that brands and businesses come to that platform to get realistic pictures. Now, if you look at the internet, now there are platforms like Splash, freepic.com, and the rest of them. Now, a lot of brands come there to get pictures, which is generic, because eventually you might find that picture somewhere else, implying that someone else has actually used the picture, which is not a very good one. All right. So what happens is that these brands come to this platform to get original and realistic pictures. All right. Now, my friend sold a design he made there for $220. Right? So there are platforms like companies like MasterCard is there, and a lot of platforms that come there to sign up to buy pictures from creators. All right. So what happens is simple. You sell your picture there. So what I advise you to do is to upload more and more of your picture so that you can actually have more chances of making sales. That is how the platform works. So everybody and anybody is good to go. Now, what is this platform? Please, before I tell you the platform, if you have not subscribed to this channel, I beg you in the name of God, please subscribe to this channel, and please, I will appreciate if you can share this video. We have just 2,000 people in this community, and it would be a great thing if you can be part of the story of this channel if we eventually start succeeding, and I will keep making you proud. I promise you that. And all I want you to do again is to like this video and drop a comment in the comment section. Just right now, go to the comment section and comment active. Just comment active in the comment section, and I'm good. That's just all I ask from you, and they share, and I'm okay. Now, what is this platform? Without wasting time, I'm going to tell you the platform. Let's go there. Now, the platform is called FOAP, FOAP.
Now, to shock you about this platform is not just about the photo sales, all right? It's not just about photo jobs, all right? If you are a content creator or you know how to do video adverts, all right, you can as well get jobs here, a lot of them. But I'm going to be talking about the video jobs in my next video, so you need to stay tuned so that you know if you're a content creator or you know how to do advert, you can do advert, you have the talent of making videos, you can as well make videos and get paid huge sum of money. This one is a photo job. You can see immerse yourself best video captured last month. Simply tap the photos button in the upper. So this one is a photo job, this one is a photo job. All right, you can see how much this one is. $150 reward. All right, now look at this one, video creator casting. All right, this one is $2,000. Let's open it and see what it has for us so that you understand what I mean. Now this one says, are you a content creator who loves to inspire and empower? Pattern is looking for talented creator to craft an engaging content that celebrates the beauty and strength of healthy hair. If you're passionate about hair care, confidence, and creating content that connects with your audience, this is your chance to become the go-to creator for all future pattern projects. Help us bring the power of beautiful, strong hair to life through your creativity. Now you can click on here to apply, and you can see the job is $2,000. And that is it. So I'm going to talk about this one in my next video so that you know that enough business is here. All right, I'm going to tell you how to apply for the job, how to win the contract for video projects. All right, so that is how I'm going to do it. Look at this one. This one is for herbal creator. This one, another video creator job, $2,000 as well. And look at this. All right, so a lot of them, but this is the one we are talking about here, the photo sales. All right, the photo jobs. This is the one we're talking about. Look at jeans and rights. You see, you can see very realistic pictures. Okay, so that is that. So let's go forward into telling you how to sign up on this platform and how to start selling your photos immediately. Let's go there.
Go to Play Store or App Store and search for FOAP. All right, FOAP. All right, you can see FOAP sell photos. Then search for it, and you're going to see it here. Look at it here, and then you click on install. Open it. Then click on start using FOAP. Then click on create account. Input your username, fill all these details. All right, then click on create account. Click on get started. Then you select your country. Select your country, Nigeria. Then click on next. I'm a male. Just fill in all these details, and then you are good to go. So usual rate for one photo, usual rate for one short video. All right, show brands your rate for collaboration so they can see if you are perfect fit for their budget. All right, this is where you tell brands your worth. All right, so that they know how they can pay you. So I will rate myself 100, usual rate for video 100. All right, let's go. And then you impute your bio. So this is where you tell brands a little thing about you. All right, so I'm a graphic designer. All right, and I will say a creative model. I'll put in that. Then you click on next. Very simple. Now this is where you upload your portfolio. Portfolio is, you can see what they wrote here, examples of your work are the most powerful way to convince brands to collaborate with you. Profile with complete portfolio are 90% more likely to be selected by brand. All right, showcase your best work, include your variety for your. So at this point you can see that you have this portfolio means you showing those brands some jobs that you have done. All right, your beautiful pictures, designs that you have done, and the rest of them. So go make sure you put in your strongest foot. Putting your strongest foot means putting the work that is most beautiful. This is the secret of getting this kind of jobs. All right, overall for the Igbo people, you now go and get that picture of Igbo and now give to brands. No, remember this is worldwide. So if you are in US, you are watching this video from anywhere, you are good to go. All right, this is a simple business where you make money with what God has given to you. Okay, so let's continue. So I really don't have much now. So you upload your video. You can upload 4 videos minimum. You can upload just your photos and your videos. All right, so let's go. I'll just select few things here. I'll just select this few. All right, yeah, I think I'm good with this. All right, so let's go. I'll click on next, then I'll do that. I'll finish up. All right, now complete profiles are 10 times more likely to earn opportunities. All right, so but I can now complete it later for the sake of this video. I don't want this video to be so long. All right, so click on continue anyway. All right, allow. Now these are news and brands that you need to follow. Okay, all right, you just follow them. Make sure you follow some of them so that you are going to know maybe when they post about a brand that is looking for photos and the jobs that they need. All right, now when you click on mission, this is where you see the request for brand. That is what brands actually want. All right, the type of feature that brand wants. All right, so it's going to open. My network is very bad, and you can see that these are what brands that are demanding for a particular type of job. You can see this one US is $300 in rewards, 3 weeks left. All right, this one pays you $200 for the picture they want. So you open them and see the type of picture they want. This one is $150 in reward. These are brands. This one is looking for Okay, the product, zero products, $2,000 in reward, 50 spots left. You can see this is just a freelancing platform where you sell whatever your skill, all right? So you can see it's a whole lot of jobs. So what you have to do is to try out these jobs and see if you can get it. I promise you your life will not remain the same. I am not even playing at all. I'm not playing at all. If it means you're going to get somebody who does it better than you, get it. This is a cool business. I've seen people make money out of this. My friend is a graphics designer. He's the person that showed me this platform, and he has made a lot of money from this platform. Then when you click on crowds, full at least 5 crowds, all right? These are companies that always post their requests here. Mastercard, you can see Mastercard is here too. A lot of them, so you know when they need your job, your services, when they post a particular advert missions. All right, that is it. Okay, now this is awarded. All right, these ones are jobs that have been concluded. All right, look at this person made $400 here for this job, and a lot. My network is very bad. Look at this person made $400 here. So these are, you can see a lot of people. All right, it's not bad. You can actually do it. Okay, these ones are for videos, for photos. You can see photos that have sold. This one sold $5. All right, you can see this one sold $5 too. Look at this one sold like that. These are photos that have sold. So that is how you actually sign up on this platform. And I must tell you the truth, you're actually going to be making a whole lot of money on this platform if you can take it serious. Because I have seen, personally, me, I have sold my own for $25. I've sold one again for $5. All right, so if you can be serious with it, upload lots more of pictures, there you are going to be making a whole lot of money. Now, this is what I advise you. The secret to actually succeeding on this platform is, number one, be consistent. Please try to take it serious, upload more and more pictures. Number two, upload quality pictures. All right, upload quality pictures. Number three, upload realistic pictures. For instance, a picture of bush, a picture of cutlass, your own picture where you look like a model. If you see a model, you can take pictures of models, realistic one. Not go and Don't go and download from the online space and upload there. No, it doesn't make sense. They will eventually find out. So make creative pictures. If you're the one taking the picture yourself, I would depict something, maybe a happy face or something like that. All right, so they can actually buy it and use it for their adverts. All right, so that is what I will advise you. Now, the method of payment. How do you receive your payments on this platform? Now, this platform pays you through PayPal, working PayPal. Now, this is where a lot of you are going to get scared, but you don't have any reason to get scared, because I'm going to actually make a video on how to create a working PayPal account here in Nigeria. Now, if you want me to do that immediately, all I ask of you is to tell me. So, depending on the number of people that request for it, that will depend on how fast I will do the video. So if you want me to teach you how to make a working PayPal account from here in Nigeria, please comment how to create PayPal in the comment section, and I'm going to do that. Now, if you are interested in learning how to actually start a profitable business online, this is Solo Communications. This is the right place to be. All right, I've compiled a video that is going to guide you on how to start making money online. It will be in the description bar, and I have a community of up to 2,000 people. Please, the link will be in the description bar. That is where I teach everybody there my personal skill on how to make money online. Just go to the description bar, you're going to find different information. I also posted a video on a platform that pays you for free for signing up on WhatsApp. That platform is real and it is working. The video is still going to be in the description bar. Just go there, you're going to see it. Please, if you're signing up on that platform, don't go and use WhatsApp. That is important to you, because I found out that some people complained that their WhatsApp got banned, including mine, and I unlocked it. So what I had to do was to connect, get my mom's number and use it to create a WhatsApp, connected it there, and the money is coming. I've made a withdrawal of up to 100,000 from that platform. But that is not why we are here. Please, that is the end of today's video. All I ask of you again is to please subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed to this channel. We drop videos 2 times every week that is going to teach you a lot of things. And please share this video so you can get more people. Remember, if you have any question, please drop it in the comment section. I will be there to answer you. Next week, I'm going to be dropping a video on top 3 software platform that you can do from anywhere in the world. I'm Solomon Chis from Solo Communications. I sign out.